Welcome students. Today with the help of this video I am going to teach you how to change direct to indirect if the reporting verb is in past tense. Changes of tense in direct and indirect speech. Tense, indirect speech. How to change in indirect speech. If reporting verb is in present simple or indefinite, then it becomes past simple or indefinite. If reporting verb is in present continuous, then we have to change past continuous. Similarly, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, past simple or indefinite, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future tense like shall, will, future in past, should, would, conditional, perfect, conditional. My dear students, with the help of example, step by step, I clear these. So, the reported verb goes one step into the past. First number, simple present to past, simple past. Direct sentence, students, you have to see. Manoj said, comma, inverted comma, the boy goes home. I have already taught you in previous lecture that SON son 1 2 3. So we may write reporting verb Manoj said. Instead of comma, inverted comma, we have to write that conjunction. The boys, because it is third person, goes. Goes is simple present. I have told you simple present becomes simple past. In place of goes, we have to write went, home, full stop. Manoj said that the boy went home. Now, second number, present continuous to past continuous. Question, direct speech is Mohan said, I am reading a book. You all are looking, I am reading a book. This is continuous. Okay? I am reading, you are reading. These are continuous. Now we have to change present continuous into past continuous. Then in indirect we have to write Mohan said in place of comma, inverted comma, that I according to subject. Subject is Mohan. Then we have to write he was M. Here we have to change in past. Then he was reading a book. Full stop. Present perfect to past perfect. Direct speech question is the girl said, I have lost my book. Now here we have to change. The girl said that I according to subject. Then we have to write she had lost my according to subject her book. Okay. Fourth number, present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. If we are seeing question like direct, he said Manoj has been going. Here you all are looking has been. It is related to present perfect continuous. We have to change in past perfect continuous. He said that Manoj had been going. Past indefinite to past perfect. Direct. Uncle said, I bought a new game. Now we have to change in indirect. Uncle said that I according to subject he bought is past indefinite, then we have to change past perfect. Had bought a new game. Answer is uncle said that he had bought a new game. Now sixth number, past continuous to past perfect continuous. Okay, direct sentence. Ramesh said, I was studying a book. Indirect. Ramesh said that I, according to subject, he had been studying a book. Was is past continuous and we have to change past perfect continuous. Future tense shall, will to future in the past. Now sentence direct speech. The teacher said, I shall give you notes. Indirect, the teacher said that I, according to subject, he shall. In place of shall, we have to write should. If I is given, then we have to write should. Here it is given that he, we have changed, then we have to write would. He would give you, according to object, them notes. Okay. Conditional to perfect conditional. Now direct, he said, comma, inverted comma, if I had the money I could buy the car. In indirect, we have to write, he said that if he, I, according to subject, he had the money, he could have bought the car. I, according to subject, then here he could. A buy is here given. In place of buy, we have to write have bought the car. Past perfect tense, no change. Direct, she said, comma, inverted comma, I had gone to Mumbai. Indirect, she said that I, according to subject, she had gone to Mumbai. So you must remember past perfect tense, no change. Only we have to change pronoun and possessive adjective. Auxiliary verbs would, should, might, could, out, must, no change. Direct, he said, I would like to have coffee. In indirect, we have to change. He said that he would like to have coffee. Second example, he said the boy must apologize to the teacher. Indirect, he said that the boy must apologize to the teacher. Now, here are some sentences like I have given one sentence. Direct, Mohan said, I woke up feeling ill, so I did not go to work. In indirect, we have to change. Mohan said that he woke up feeling ill, so he did not got to work. Or we may also change. Mohan said that he had waken up feeling ill, so he had not gone to work. Now, why? Because the past simple, did, saw, knew, etc. can usually stay the same in reported speech, or we can change it to the past perfect, had, done, had seen, had known, etc. The pronouns of the direct speech are changed where necessary so that their relations with the reporter and his hearer rather than with the original speaker are indicated as direct. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, I don't believe you. Indirect, he said he did not believe me. Direct sentence, she said to him, I don't believe you. Indirect, she said she did not believe him. Okay, students, I have given you different types of rules related to reported speech, how to change direct to indirect. After this, in next video, I will give you more rules related to direct and indirect. Till wait and now stay safe.